I'm not supposed to. This happened. In person, this looks so freaky. But just go horribly bad or horribly worse. Somebody's saying doing this. This either could go over horribly bad or horribly worse. So yeah, you've been telling. Some of you guys keep telling me I should do this more often. So yeah, and so you can you can easily lose. Oh, very much a lot of things actually. But good thing I'm a speedster. I did.
Even Steve cut some of them branches out of there.
Apparently, we're all just here, and Zoe's right here too. Zoe, hey, hey.
Yeah, it's bad right behind there.
Yep, here comes pouring rain. So, what is happening? And it's starting! Hey! Got my legs all wet, Zoe. Just don't mind this.
I didn't know why.
Pull it out. Hit that one. When it comes real bad.
So, just want to show you guys. This is Wolfie. Signing off.